What's up, party people? In this week's video, we're going to tackle a topic that has come up quite a bit recently, and it is something that literally every single DJ has to deal with at some point in their career. It's all about requests. We're going to talk about how you can integrate requests, whether it is from a client or just somebody out on a dance floor that comes up to the DJ booth and has to hear the most awesome, the most recent, the most popular banger of all time, and how you're able to integrate those requests so that it maintains the vibe of the event or the club night or the bar night or whatever it is that you're DJing, so that that flow of energy maintains. So grab something to drink, hang out, and we're going to chat about this really quick. Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We have just completed our final week of March. We are now into April, which means wedding season has kicked off for many of us. April is usually the big month where weddings start going crazy, and it's going to be a crazy season for a lot of us out there. Man, you know, I've been talking to so many of you guys, and I've been hearing about what you're doing for this season and some of the new things that you're going to be setting up and doing, and the new ways of doing different things. Man, it's just going to be an awesome 2024 for so many DJs, and I am so looking forward to seeing all the cool stuff that you guys do this year. So happy just about April, happy pretty much the beginning of wedding season, and I hope everybody rocks out and has an incredible 2024 wedding and event season. So quickly, before I go into the main topic of this video, I always have to say thank you to everybody who has liked, commented, and subscribed. The channel is over 10 million views now. We're getting very, very close to 50,000 subscribers. You guys are rock stars. So thank you. The amount of love that you guys have shown me on my journey to being a YouTuber has been awesome. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, comment on the videos, and make sure you hit that bell notification so that you don't miss out on any of the content that I put out, usually on a weekly basis. Okay, let's begin. Let's talk a little bit about requests. Now, some DJs, they love requests. Some DJs, they hate requests. Some DJs take requests. Some DJs absolutely do not take requests. It's really going to depend on you as a person, as a DJ, what you're comfortable with, if you're able to integrate requests. If you're not able to, it's also going to come down to your skill level. Are you able to mix out of whatever you're playing, whatever is currently in your playlist that you set up, and take in that random, unique, strange, off-the-wall request so that it keeps the vibe, it keeps the energy, and it keeps your dance floor full. So this video is really just going to depend on you as a DJ and if you're able to do it. But if you are planning on taking requests, this video is going to tell you what you can do to integrate those requests, no matter who it's from, so that that energy and that fun level of entertainment and energy and people having a great time on the dance floor, you maintain that throughout the entire event. So let's start. If you are a brand new DJ and you're trying to learn how to take requests and integrate them, the very first step in integrating requests is to understand the event's vibe. Is it a corporate event? Is it a wedding? Is it a nightclub event? Is it a Sweet 16? Is it a corporate event? Every single event that you do and every setting that you're in is going to have its own unique ambience and its own musical preferences. Now, for many of us as DJs, believe it or not, we actually enjoy taking requests from clients and guests. It's a chance to connect with the crowd and play the music that they want to hear. However, I have to express this and really hone in on this point. It is extremely essential For you as a DJ, if you're going to take requests, to balance them out with the overall atmosphere and the energy that you as a DJ are trying to create for your client and for the guests. Now, when I said you as a DJ, you need to understand the event vibe. Here's an example. At a wedding, you'll likely receive a mix of requests that are classic hits, romantic ballads, current chart toppers. Meanwhile, at a nightclub, say as an example, you might lean heavily on EDM or hip hop or high energy tracks. If you're doing a Sweet 16, you might be playing pretty much mostly new music from the last 5 years. Understanding the differences really helps you curate a playlist that resonates with your audience, and it also honors your client requests. Tip number 2 is to always communicate with your clients before the event. You're going to want to sit them down and talk to them and discuss their music preferences, what their must-play songs are, and any specific genres that they absolutely love. This proactive approach is really going to ensure you as a DJ that you're prepared and you can seamlessly integrate their requests and certain songs that they love into your set. Now here's another thing. This isn't a step, but it's another strategy that you as a DJ can really capitalize on. Make sure that you're organizing your playlist strategically. What I mean with that is, depending on the event that you're going to be playing at, start with a solid foundation of crowd pleasers and genre appropriate tracks. You don't want to scare grandma and grandpa if it's at a wedding, so make sure that the music that you're playing is appropriate and it's okay and the client is good with it. Then sprinkle in some of the client requests at strategic or different moments and events during the night. Transitioning is also very, very important. So make sure that you're transitioning between songs smoothly, keeps the energy alive, and most importantly, keeps the energy flowing. And it avoids any type of abrupt changes that can really disrupt the vibe of the event. Now, let's talk about handling on-the-spot requests during live events. This could be at a wedding. It could be at a nightclub or a bar event. It could be literally any type of event. And you guys who've been doing this for a long time, you know what I'm talking about when somebody comes up and they say, hey, look, me and my boy, or hey, me and my girlfriend, we're leaving in 5 minutes. Can you play this song real quick for us? Or someone will come up, the dance floor is packed, the energy is crazy, and somebody will request, hey man, can you play some Metallica? Or, yo, dude, drop some Godsmack. It'll get this place going. You guys know those are the types of requests that make you roll your eyes and be like, what the f-? So here's the thing when it comes to handling requests at live events and on the spot. While it is essential to honor requests, it's equally crucial to gauge the request suitability at the moment. And what I mean by that is if the request aligns with the current mood in a genre and the vibe, do it. Do it! Otherwise, you have to figure out how to politely explain and offer alternatives that fit better and fit the event, fit the mood, fit the vibe, fit the energy, and so on. And remember, guys, reading the crowd is one of the DJ's superpowers. Pay attention to how people, how your dance floor, how the audience reacts to different types of songs that you play. Are they dancing enthusiastically? Are they throwing their arms up in the air and going wild whenever you drop a certain track? Is the energy dipping? So adjusting your playlist and requests accordingly is what's going to keep the party going and keeping it alive and keeping that energy up. Remember, guys, integrating client requests seamlessly while balancing the event vibe requires a mix of preparation, communication, and on-the-spot decision-making. So remember that it's not just about playing music or having random stuff come out of your speakers. It's about creating memorable experiences for everyone involved, from client to friends and family, to bar patrons, to bar manager, to bar staff. Everybody who is in the building You want them to have a memorable experience and remember the event for as long as possible, because you are an incredible DJ. You were able to seamlessly integrate requests, and you kept the vibe and the energy the whole time. So that's it. Just a quick video and a few tips from your boy DJ California. Now, integrating requests, it takes some skill, it takes some experience, it takes being able to practice and learn how to do it over time well, so that, like I said, you do keep the energy and the vibe and you're keeping everyone happy. So that's all I got for this week. Again, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, comment, bell notification, all the usual stuff. And until next week, my friends, be a good DJ, be an awesome human being, keep the beats alive. A day without dancing is a day wasted, and I'll talk to you again soon.